Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to sign up to be a Globe retailer using your Globe One app. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng Globe retailer? Means yan ay pwede kang mag-earn ng money sa pagbenta ng data load or other data promos mga kaibigan. So yan po yung ibig sabihin. Okay, so kapag wala ka pang Globe One app, so ang gagawin mo lang is go to Play Store and then search mo lang dito yung Globe One app. Okay, so kailangan mo lang yan i-download and install. Tapos, i-register or sign in using your Globe or TM mobile number. So, kailangan mo lang yan i-register or i-sign in mo siya. So, pagkatapos mo mag-register, so ang next step ay back lang tayo. And then open lang natin ang Globe One applications. So dapat naka-sign in ka na. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then nandito na yung ating homepage ng Globe One app. So ang next step, so dito lang sa gitna mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung other features niya. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Go Earn. Okay, ito siya. So itap mo lang tong Go Earn. And nandito na yung tinatawag na apply as a retailer. So may mga perks and benefits din of being a retailer. So number 1, earn by selling promos and load, sell anytime, anywhere, no need to go outside of your home, and safe and secure transactions. Okay, so makikita mo dito na you are applying for. So kung may nakalagay dito or may nakaregister dito na Globe or TM, so select mo lang dito kung anong account yung gagamitin mo. So since yung Globe natin ang gagamitin, so click mo lang tong bilog na yan. And then next step dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong next. So click lang natin yan. And next step, so kailangan lang natin itong i-fill out yung mga details information dito. So number 1, about you, and then you are registering for yung mobile number natin na i-register natin. So ang next step, tell us about yourself. Okay, so dito ay kailangan lang natin i-fill out lahat. So number 1, ito yung ating first name, and then next, middle name, and last name. And then itong suffix naman is an option. And then next yung birth date. And next step yung gender natin. And then yung email. And next step, so where do you live? Yung street natin. And next step, yung region natin, kung anong region ka, kung Central Luzon, Central Visayas, East Visayas, North GMA, North Luzon. So nandito yung selection ng ating regions. And then dito naman sa province, so fill out lang. And then dito sa city, so click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then next yung barangay. Okay, so ang kailangan lang natin dito na i-fill out yung first name, middle name, last name, birth date, yung gender natin, yung email address, and then yung where do you live, kung saan ka nakatira, yung street, region, province, city, and then yung barangay. So kailangan lang dito mga kaibigan ay correct lahat yung informations and details mo na ilalagay. And then ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-check tong box na I understand and agree to the terms and conditions. And then next step ay dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung next. So i-click mo lang yan. And then wait natin na ma-send yung OTP code dito sa ating Globe number. Okay, so once na-enter mo na yung 6-digit OTP code, and then guys, makikita mo na dito na you are now a Globe prepaid retailer. Alright, so what's next? Load at least 20 pesos commercial load to start earning on each promo or load you sell. And then nandito naman yung ating details. So napakadali lang talaga mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-sign up to be a Globe retailer. Yun lang po yung pinakasimpleng details informations ang ilalagay natin at wala nang iba. And then yung Globe number natin or TM. Ayan. Alright, so ipano lang guys ang step-by-step method, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.